Hello everyone! Today I'm really excited because we are going to be talking about a very important subject, and it is the definite article the. Thank you for coming to Yes English, and remember that yes, you can speak English. First of all, we want to talk about the pronunciation rules, and the first one is when the definite article comes before consonant sound. In this case, the pronunciation is the. Repeat, the. Let's have an example. The notebook is next to the coffee cup. Repeat, the notebook is next to the coffee cup. Let's have another. The ruler has many numbers. Repeat, the ruler has many numbers. Okay guys, now we come to our second pronunciation rule. And it happens when we have vowel sound before the word that we are going to talk about. In this occasion, the pronunciation is the. Repeat, the. Okay, let's have an example. Repeat, the apple is on the table. The apple is on the table. The erasers are red. Repeat, the erasers are red. Okay guys, then when do you use the? When do you use this definite article? We have to learn when to use it. So remember, you can use it when you are talking about a specific noun. Okay, let's say that here you have many cars and then you want to talk about a specific of them. Then you can say, I like the blue car. Repeat, I like the blue car. Okay guys, very good. Here you have two options for eating, and then which one of them do you prefer, the red one or the green one? You could say, I like the green one. Repeat, I like the green one. You also can use it referring to singular nouns. Let's have an example. The book is open. Repeat after me. The book is open. Let's have another. The pen is on the desk. Repeat after me. The pen is on the desk. Another use that you can give to this definite article is when you are talking about plural nouns. For example, you can say the backpacks are nice. Repeat after me. The backpacks are nice. Another could be, look at the school chairs. Repeat after me. Look at the school chairs. Okay guys, very good. Remember that another use that you can give to this definite article is when you are talking about gender. I mean, about feminine or masculine. If you are talking about masculine, an example that you can give is the man is using a mask. Repeat after me. The man is using a mask. And if you are talking related to feminine, you could say the woman is on her computer. Repeat after me. The woman is on her computer. Okay guys, now we come to the negative side. And remember, don't use the definite article the if you are talking about something in general. For example, if you are talking about all the citizens from the United States, you have to say Americans are tall and not the Americans are tall. And finally guys, don't use the definite article the when you are talking about cities, countries, streets, companies, schools, universities, and others. And some exceptions are examples like the Dominican Republic, the USA, etc. For us, it was a pleasure to be here sharing with you related to this topic about the definite article the. Remember, continue practicing your English, and yes, you can speak English.